Imagine a place at the very bottom of the Earth, covered by miles of ice, untouched for millions of years. But what if this frozen land is hiding something far more ancient than anyone ever imagined? Strange ruins, mysterious pyramids, and even signs of a forgotten civilization buried deep beneath Antarctica's ice. Is it possible that Antarctica holds the greatest archaeological discovery of all time? Before watching the full video, please like, subscribe, and share our channel. Let's start. Welcome back, explorers of the unknown. Today we dive into one of the greatest mysteries of our planet, the archaeological discoveries hidden in Antarctica. From ancient maps that suggest the continent was once ice-free, to satellite images showing strange pyramid-like structures, and classified military missions that fuel endless conspiracy theories, Antarctica may not be the barren wasteland we once thought. Stay with us until the end, because what you're about to learn will challenge everything you thought you knew about human history. Antarctica is the coldest, driest, and windiest place on Earth. Almost 98% is covered in ice, up to 3 miles thick. Beneath the ice lies a landmass the size of the US and Mexico combined. But here's the mystery. Scientists believe Antarctica wasn't always frozen. Millions of years ago, it was covered in forests, rivers, and even dinosaurs roamed freely. Some researchers suggest that ancient civilizations could have lived here before the last ice age, when Antarctica had a warm, tropical climate. This possibility sets the stage for archaeological mysteries waiting to be uncovered. One of the strangest pieces of evidence comes from the Piri Reis Map, created in 1513 by an Ottoman admiral. This map shows the coastline of Antarctica, but here's the catch. It was drawn centuries before the continent was officially discovered in 1820. Even stranger, the coastline isn't covered in ice. It shows rivers, mountains, and valleys as if it were mapped when the land was still ice-free. Historians debate how this was possible. Did ancient civilizations once chart Antarctica before it was frozen? If so, who were they, and how advanced was their knowledge? Satellite images taken in the 21st century show what appear to be pyramid-like structures rising through the ice. The most famous is the so-called Antarctica Pyramid, standing nearly 4,000 meters high. Skeptics say these are just natural mountains shaped by erosion. But believers argue the geometry is too precise to be natural. If these are man-made, it could mean that an ancient civilization once built monumental structures in Antarctica, similar to those in Egypt, Peru, or Mesoamerica. Could Antarctica have once been part of a global network of civilizations that shared knowledge of pyramids? Scientists drilling into Antarctica's ice have made shocking discoveries. Lake Vostok buried under 2 miles of ice untouched for millions of years. Microbes and strange life forms surviving in total darkness. Ancient meteorites preserved perfectly in the ice, but some believe there may be more than just microbes. Rumors persist of strange artifacts being recovered, artifacts that could suggest human presence long before history records. Military secrecy surrounding expeditions only deepens the mystery. In 1946, the U.S. launched Operation Highjump, the largest Antarctic military mission in history. Officially, it was for scientific research. But conspiracy theorists argue otherwise. Some claim the military discovered ancient ruins or alien technology buried under the ice. Others say Admiral Richard Byrd reported flying over strange lands beyond the South Pole, filled with mountains, lakes, and signs of life. Although much of the mission remains classified, the secrecy has fueled endless speculation. Was Antarctica hiding evidence of lost civilizations or advanced technology? Many alternative historians suggest Antarctica may have been home to a prehistoric advanced civilization, possibly destroyed by an ancient cataclysm. Legends of Atlantis, described by Plato, match surprisingly well with the timeline of Antarctica's sudden freezing. Today, satellites and ground-penetrating radar are uncovering things scientists never imagined. Massive structures detected beneath the ice sheets. Caves large enough to house entire cities. Anomalies suggesting metallic objects buried deep underground. Some researchers argue these could be natural formations, But others believe we may be on the verge of the greatest archaeological discovery in history. So, what do you think? Is Antarctica hiding the ruins of an ancient civilization, or are these just natural coincidences misinterpreted by human imagination? Could Antarctica actually be the lost Atlantis, or maybe something even greater? Let us know your thoughts in the comments below. If you enjoyed this deep dive into the mysteries of our frozen frontier, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more explorations into history's greatest secrets. And remember, sometimes the truth is stranger than fiction.